Mr. Speaker, one very important point I want to make is that in looking at the challenges confronting fishing in this country, we unfortunately tend to nip to the back environmental issues. A classical example he gave is some of the materials they use in fishing. And the fact that those materials are not good, the nylons, which has an impact on the environment, it destroys the ecosystem, it affects the ability of the fisher folks to even produce, to get enough fish too, because these things are all affected. And it is of this reason that I think that the World Environment Day, which falls on the 5th of June, the theme is on plastic waste. If you check our water bodies, you have huge deposits of plastics. And I think that he can see me after this. Let's see how we can work together to ensure that the plastic waste comes, is something that we fight. But largely, the economy is resilient now. The dollar is coming down. The materials that the people use for the purposes of fishing is coming down. Let's pray and hope that we maintain that, and I have no doubt in mind that ATU is indeed forcing. And the dollar certainly will continue to struggle at the expense of the city. And those materials wouldn't be in Ghana. In Ghana, I think it is also a reminder that we should focus on finding locally materials that we use for the purposes of fishing. That for me is significant. It's a wake-up call. Almost everything they use are imported. How are we going to come out with means by which we can have local materials that we use to support these our future folks to engage in fishing? And that is precisely what we should all be thinking as members of parliament.